Eggs have played a crucial role in human nutrition for millennia, evolving from a precious resource for our prehistoric ancestors to a fundamental ingredient in modern gastronomy. Today, they are employed in countless recipes, from the simple breakfast with scrambled eggs to the complex preparations of desserts and pastry, demonstrating their incredible versatility. Since ancient times, eggs have been collected from wild birds and have represented an essential source of protein for primitive man, marking the beginning of our long and profound relationship with this versatile food. Their simplicity of cooking and ease of procurement made them one of the first food choices for man. In antiquity, eggs were not only food, but powerful symbols of fertility and rebirth, weaving spiritual meanings into our interaction with nature. These beliefs led to the development of culinary traditions in which eggs are key during holidays that celebrate life and renewal, such as Easter. As civilizations evolved, eggs became increasingly accessible to all levels of society, marking a significant transition in their availability and culinary use. Their presence in markets symbolized not only a staple food for families, but also a precious ingredient for chefs of the time, who began to experiment with more elaborate recipes. Today, eggs continue to be an essential ingredient, rich in protein and other vital nutrients, enhancing countless traditional and modern recipes in every corner of the world. From nourishing omelets to sophisticated meringues, eggs lend themselves to a wide range of culinary techniques, making them indispensable in the cuisine of every culture. In the culinary world, eggs play multifunctional roles that go far beyond the simple ingredient. In the preparation of desserts like mousses or soufflés, they are essential for creating textures that capture the air, giving dishes an unparalleled lightness. This use illustrates the culinary magic that can be achieved by manipulating eggs in various ways. Eggs are also at the heart of fresh pasta, where they contribute to binding the ingredients, providing elasticity and texture to the pasta. This tradition, rooted in Italian cuisine, shows how a simple ingredient can transform into a variety of shapes and flavors, becoming the basis for countless beloved recipes around the world. In pastry, they are indispensable for achieving creams and icings of smooth and silky consistency. Their ability to emulsify fats and liquids allows for the creation of desserts that delight the palate, once again showing how eggs are fundamental in the creation of culinary masterpieces. Poached eggs, with their elegant simplicity, are an example of how technique can elevate a humble ingredient to a gastronomic delicacy. Served on toast or as part of a sophisticated Eggs Benedict, poached eggs embody the versatility and innovation in contemporary cuisine. Eggs are also protagonists in more everyday dishes, such as frittatas or omelets, where they serve as a canvas for a wide range of ingredients, from vegetables to cheeses, offering a simple and tasty way to incorporate essential nutrients into our diet. These dishes emphasize how eggs can be both a comfort food and a foundation for culinary exploration. At the forefront of cooking, they are the subject of experimentation, where innovative chefs use molecular cooking techniques to transform them into light and ethereal foams. This culinary exploration pushes the boundaries of what is possible, revealing the unlimited potential of eggs as a medium for creative expression in the kitchen. From traditional Spanish tortillas to delicate Japanese omelets, eggs are a mainstay in kitchens all over the world, uniting diverse cultures through the universal language of food. Their presence in so many recipes testifies to their importance not only as a source of nourishment, but also as a symbol of culinary sharing and innovation. In the ongoing search for sustainable and responsible food production, scientists are exploring revolutionary innovations, such as the cultivation of eggs from cellular sources, aimed at reducing the environmental footprint without sacrificing nutritional value. These efforts pave the way for new production methods that could revolutionize the way we think about farming and food sustainability, while still keeping eggs as a central element in our diets. Even in the age of innovation and alternatives, eggs will continue to bring people together, promoting not only optimal nutrition, but also respect for cultural diversity and culinary traditions that enrich our collective human experience. From family breakfasts to grand feasts, eggs remain a symbol of sharing and community, celebrating the richness of our differences through the universal language of food. Parallel to technological innovations, We are also experiencing a renewed interest in more traditional and responsible production methods, such as free-range chicken farming. These practices not only encourage better living conditions for the animals, but also strengthen the connection between communities and the source of their food, promoting a more mindful and respectful approach to nutrition. Eggs, symbolizing life and rebirth, will continue to be an essential element in humanity's journey toward a sustainable future. Together, we can create a world where nourishment, respect for our planet, and innovation merge harmoniously for the good of all life forms. The balance between traditional food practices and new technologies will enable us to feed the global population ethically and sustainably. The story of eggs and human nutrition teaches us the importance of adaptation, innovation, and respect for nature. Continue to follow us for further explorations into the extraordinary culinary adventures that await us. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, a path that reminds us of the fundamental importance of working together for a future where humanity and the planet can thrive in harmony.